This is an asana in standing. It looks quite easy, but it has its own level of difficulty which we will demonstrate now. Vaishali here is standing, ready to commence Padahastasana. When she is ready, when she's got her balance ready, her focus ready, she will commence. She's going to move her arms up from the sides, take them up, bring them up in a straight line so that the spine, the hips and the body and the legs are all in one straight line. She stretches as far as she can up, stretching the spine, stretching the arms and holding it with relaxed breathing. Do not hold the breath. And then slowly when she is ready, she will start moving from the hips. Watch, she does not move any other part of the body, moves from the hips all the way to whatever level she can. When she can't move anymore, then the head goes down. She has managed to get her head into the knees, below the knees. The tummy is flat like a sandwich onto her thighs. She's stretching her hands right behind her feet as far back as she can. The aim is to do it to your maximum. Now watch how she's swaying a little bit. That is because it is becoming quite difficult for her to hold that asana, because the intricacies of the asana are inherent in that balance. When she is ready, she will slowly come back. Watch how she straightens her arms, brings them up behind the ears and then comes up from the hips. She doesn't move the rest of the body and goes back to starting position. This is Padahastasana.